Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well. George Morelos here from Integrity Home Finance. The biggest question that we're getting right now from clients that currently own homes has to do with forbearance, the big F word. And so just wanted to bring you another update. Last week we did a video with Monica. Thank you, Monica, for joining me in that video. Super informative, and thank you for coming up with the idea. And so I just wanted to break down what that video was about. If you currently own a home and you have a conventional loan or an FHA loan, you can qualify for mortgage forbearance without having the balance tacked on after the 4th month. How do you find out if you have one of these mortgages? In the description, there are a couple of links where you can actually enter your property address and find out if you have a Fannie Mae loan, a Freddie Mac loan. Those are the two that qualify for you to not add the balance at the end. So normally what they'll do is they'll give you a forbearance for 3 months. If after those 3 months you're not able to make the payment or make the arrangement, they will give you another 3 months and 3 months and 3 months, all the way up until a year. They can add that balance at the end of the loan. They can dilute the payment over a certain period of time, or they're going to allow you to modify the loan. That's a huge plus, because under normal circumstances, that's not what forbearance means. FHA also did the same relief, where on their program, the same similar options that conventional mortgages are going to have. So if you have a loan, the first thing to do is to check and see if they're actually owned at the back end by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Your mortgage statement will not say whether it's a Fannie or Freddie loan. Even if you have a conventional loan, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is owned by Fannie or Freddie. So you plug in your address, it's going to ask you a couple questions to validate that it is you, and you're going to be able to tell. The second step you want to do is you want to call your servicer. You want to find out specifically what your servicer is offering. Check your mortgage, call your servicer. If you have an FHA loan, again, on your mortgage statement, it should say MIP premium, FHA insurance. You can check your mortgage statement in regards to that. The other option is to call your servicer, which on all of these options, you only want to do them if you've really suffered financially because of COVID-19. The reason I tell you this is that if you try to refinance at a later date, qualify for an equity line, or get a conventional loan, you will not qualify for another mortgage for at least 1 year. That's on a purchase, on a refi, or an equity line. That's something that we look at as lenders when you're applying for the next loan. So certainly take advantage of it if you need it, but if you don't need it and you can make your payments, continue to make your payments. If you have those mortgages, conventional, under Fannie, Freddie, or an FHA loan, you should be able to qualify and not have the lump sum due. Another thing that you want to consider is lenders may not report this on your credit report correctly. It may take months for them to update that information, and during those months they can continue to report you late. So that's going to affect your ability to apply for other credit cards, car loans, or any other type of finances, and it can certainly drop your credit score one late 100 points. Retroactively, this can certainly be fixed. There are methods and ways to improve someone's credit report, especially if information is being reported on there incorrectly. But just like everything else, it's taken a long time to get through right now. The unemployment line, getting the loans from the government for small businesses, everything is taking a long time, guys. So same thing with the rating on your credit report. You may be approved for the program, you may not be considered late, but on your credit report it might, and that's going to affect you for quite a while. I hope you find this useful and informative. Stay blessed, take care of each other, and I'll talk to you soon.
As time goes by.